from Tony Guest Automotive and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's job, I'm going to be working on this MGB. All the panels have been off, as you can see. My job today will be to start realigning them, getting all the gaps good on the bonnet, the wings, the doors, the front panel, the grille, you name it. It's all got to go back on to make sure it fits. In this video I'll be showing you my way of doing it and a few tips here and there. So I've adjusted the bonnet to scuttle now, upways and in and outways. As you can see, that's quite a nice uniform gap now. It's much better. That's how they should be. If I get the straight edge, you can see that's flat, and that's like that all the way across now. Nothing's sticking out. And you might have seen in the time lapse that I was using that hammer and block of wood. Well, I use a block of wood because it's softer on the metal. You don't want to use steel on alley or steel on steel if possible, because it will end up denting it a bit more. And what I've done with this block of wood is just angle it on the back edge of the bonnet, and more just with the weight of the hammer, just tap it down, just to dress it down a touch. You're not hitting it hard, otherwise you end up doing too much damage. You're just taking it down millimeters, not even, only 2 or 3 mil at the most. But as you can see, it is achievable to get a good gap, and it doesn't stick up. Next job, I will start fitting the wings, find the wing buffers, get all that on there and start lining that up. So I've started bolting the wings on. I've got 3 in loosely so far, as you can see in the wing shut. This wing buffer here will be changed for a new one, but that's perfectly good enough to get me started for now. In this grille recess there's 2 bolts. Moving on to the inside of the car. There's 4 bolts here. There's 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 2 hiding away, 1 in there and that one there. On the bottom of the wing there's 3 machine screws that screw into the sill. That will pull it tight against the sill then and allow me to then start fitting the door. Obviously this wing has got to come off again, so you don't want to fit every single bolt because it's pointless really. It's all got to come off, backs of the wings have got to be painted, and then once it's all painted all of the bolts will be fitted then. I've loosely bolted the wing on now. I've not adjusted that wing gap, and that is quite good. Even on the front it's relatively good to start with. It's not too bad around here, a little bit of work required, but it isn't so good down here. You see that's sticking out a long way. So you're going to have to unbolt it and see what's going on.